Let me ask you a hard question. What's scarier, failing at something new, or staying stuck in a life you secretly hate? If you're tired of watching others post about their freedom lifestyle while you're clocking into a job you don't love, then this video might just change the direction of your life. Unless you love asking your boss for permission to take a day off, in which case, carry on. Clapperboard ACT 1, the real problem, trapped in the system. We're taught to follow the rules. Go to school. Get a job. Work 40 years and maybe, just maybe, retire comfortably. But the truth? That system was never designed to give you freedom, only survival. You trade time for money. You miss birthdays, skip vacations, and still worry about bills. Sound familiar? Ever feel like your paycheck disappears faster than your lunch break? That's the trap. But here's the twist, what if there was a way to make money without selling your time? That's when I discovered a business model that flipped everything I knew about income on its head. Clapperboard ACT 2, the turning point, discovering dropshipping. Dropshipping. A business where you sell real products without ever touching inventory. You create a store, list items from suppliers, and when someone buys, the supplier ships it for you. You keep the profit. And the best part? You can run it from your laptop. From a cafe, your couch, even a beach if you're feeling extra cliché. Though let's be real. Wi-Fi on the beach kinda sucks. I started small. No team. No coding. Just a laptop and YouTube tutorials. And after days of failure, I got my first sale. One notification. One moment. One belief shattered, I could make money online. But dropshipping isn't magic. It's a skill. And here's what you need to do to win at it. Clapperboard ACT 3, the blueprint, 3 steps to launch your first dropshipping store. Step 1, choose a problem-solving product. Forget trending junk. Look for products that solve problems. Back pain, pet messes, productivity hacks, people don't buy products, they buy relief. If your product doesn't make someone say, take my money, it's back to the drawing board. Step 2, launch a one-product store. Beginners waste weeks trying to create the next Amazon. Don't. Focus on one great product, build a clean, simple one-product store, and learn what makes people click and buy. Ever been to a restaurant with a 10-page menu and still didn't know what to order? Same problem. Step 3, run simple, smart ads. Start with a small budget. Use TikTok or Facebook to test different video ads. Show the product in action. Keep it short. Keep it real. Every dollar you spend is buying data. And that data is the key to your first breakthrough. Cliffhanger. So if you're still watching, here's the moment we tie it all together. The choice is yours. You have 2 paths right now. Keep scrolling, or start building. One leads to another year of regret. The other? To a future only you can create. No one's coming to save you. But you? You can save yourself. If a broke, confused beginner like me could build an online income from a laptop, what's stopping you? If you're ready to stop watching and start doing, hit that like, subscribe, and drop a comment saying, I'm starting today. Because that's how your journey begins.